Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is by this brand right here, and it is a rosemary oil serum for hair growth infused with biotin, rosemary oil, castor oil, argan oil, and keratin caffeine. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So it does say you're going to section off your hair into 4 different sections. So let's go ahead and get everything that's in here out first. There's a little user manual. It'll tell you step by step on how to do it. So you can use this on your face or your scalp. I'm using it on my scalp. I obviously already got ready today. So I'm going to section this off into 4 sections. So just like this. Doing like a little space bun. Then from this side. So just like that, and then this is parted like that. So I can just grab this and clip this up. And then I have this section right here. Okay, 4 parts, scalp. Apply a small amount of serum to the scalp. Massage serum with fingers or comb. So this is the serum. So I'm just going to squirt some of this onto my fingers and just get my scalp. I'm actually just going to do the bottom section for now because I have to put on hair extensions in a little bit. So I'm just going to do this. And you can see I'm just rubbing it directly towards the scalp. I'm not getting it on my whole head. I'm just doing it. It doesn't feel like it's going to be oily, so I don't think it's really going to affect your hair very much. My hair is clean and just air dried though. So I'm just doing this whole section right there. Okay. And it says down and up. Okay, and roll down and up, left and right for about 1 to 2 minutes. So after that, you're going to get your roller. And you can soak this in alcohol to make sure that it's sterile when you first take it out of the package. So just put some alcohol in here, let it set in there like so with the alcohol in it. And then really clean it. So let me go ahead and sterilize this real quick. Okay, so now that it's nice and sterile, I'm just going to take it and then I'm just going to rub it on my scalp. So it says up and down. So that's what I'm starting out with. Make sure I get this area right here. And this is just going to punch like little holes inside your skin to really allow, look how much volume I got right there. And then it says left and right like this too. So you're going to do this 1 to 2 minutes so it doesn't take long at all. And that's just going to really allow it to get into your skin so that you get a lot better results. This does not hurt at all either. Like, it doesn't hurt. The needles to it are so small that you can't really even feel it. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes, and then once you're done, just make sure you sterilize this with some rubbing alcohol, and then you're good to go. And as you can see, my hair is not oily or anything, so you don't have to worry about after using this, your hair being greasy and then you just having to rewash your hair again. It is better to do this before you go to bed because then you'll just sleep on it and really have all those oils absorbing. But like I said, it's not like really an oil. It's like more of a gel texture, but as you can see, it's not really oily feeling. It kind of just absorbs into your skin, so you don't really have to worry about it like making your scalp oily. But yeah, you would just repeat those steps to each side of your hair. You section out a corner. So I did this one, you do this one, and then this one, and then you're good to go. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.